Hi, students and parents. Since we're not going to have open house traditionally this year, I thought I'd send out this little video just to kind of introduce myself and talk to you about ways of work here for AP Statistics this year. I'm Amanda Sapp. I've been a teacher at Lincoln this is my 18th year. I am also an alumni of Lincoln just a few years back. But I just wanted to reach out and talk to you a little bit in this unusual year. Some of you are face to face, some of you are digital. Um, I'm really appreciative of all the support that I've gotten from students and parents so far. It has been a little bit of a different year, and all of us have had to be a little bit flexible as we get used to the way of work. So every day your student's getting a lesson from me. If they're face-to-face, they're getting it in the classroom. If they're digital, they are getting we always start with a Zoom, and we either do a lesson with Zoom or I just do questions. And then I have a video posted, or they have work to do on Canvas to watch. And then everyone, whether face-to-face or digital, has the same assignment over the same topics to do every day. There will be some sort of assignment to do to practice and make sure they have it down. I also always give the solutions. I expect the students to check their answers so that they can ask me questions the next time we meet, whether it's face-to-face or via Zoom. If they need extra help, one thing they can do is I'm available at lunch. I have first lunch. I'm also available after school. Just make sure they reach out and make an appointment with me. Or I'm available through Zoom, whether they're face-to-face or digital. If they want to set up a Zoom time, we can do that as well. And so that's always an option. Our grade in here primarily will be those assignments, but then also assessments that we will have about every 2 weeks. There should be about 4 to 5 assessments each 9 weeks. I'm going to try to fit in a 9 weeks assessment as well towards the end. It's cumulative over all of the chapters that we've covered. So we are all heading toward the AP exam at the end of the year. That's a lot of the reason why the students are taking it, is they want their college credit. That exam will be held on Thursday, May 13th at noon. Right now, it is going to be at the fairgrounds, and if anything changes, we'll talk about that as we get a little closer. But that's definitely where we're heading in this class. If you need to contact me, email is best. I am also on Remind, and the Remind code for AP Stat is HK4CG4. And that's written on my syllabus that you can find on Canvas, and the students also know it. But either way, I'm available to reach either through email or through Remind. For both face-to-face and online, I put all of my my notes and I do some videos, as awkward as they might be, like this one, on Canvas. I try to communicate, especially with digital students, through announcements on Canvas. You yourself, parents and guardians, can join Canvas and can access those announcements and things just to keep up if you'd like to. I'm here. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please feel free to reach out to me. Students as well. Anytime you have a question, please reach out as soon as possible. And I'm looking forward to a great year.